Casey Jones, 1950 on YouTube. Going to do a little review here on the new Walther's Proto FP7's. And of course I modeled C&O, been a Historical Society member since I think 1977. And as far as I can tell, most of the details and the color and everything on these are spot on lettering. Of course the FP7's were the freight or passenger units, and they were done in the passenger colors, and as far as I can tell this is correct. Even like the E8's, later on the top part of the nose was painted dark blue, not yellow. As you can see, the number boards light up. F5, come on. F5 turns on the upper headlight, which is a red warning light. That's correct for the prototype. If you're going to buy these units, I would strongly recommend buying them with sound. They come with the LokSound 21-pin decoders. And the problem is, on the motherboard, they have a socket for a 2-pin connector, which they don't provide with the units. And the only way then you can wire a speaker in is if you don't have a plug to fit that, is you go on the decoder, or if your soldering skills are real good, you can also solder the wires to the board underneath, and you use pins 9 and 10. 9 and 10 are right next to the index pin that's blank on the board or on the decoder. But you got to be very careful not to bridge the connections. I did that on one of these, and I smoked the decoder, and I burned up the speaker also, because even under my optivisors, I couldn't tell I was overlapping the connections. Also, on these, in fact, they all run very well together. I've already ran them and speed matched them. Speed matching was perfect on them. They have the helical gears in the trucks, the newer style gears that they've been doing, I think, since 2007. They're not the old Athearn style trucks with the gears that cracked. They're beautiful units, but if you want sound, I highly recommend getting them with sound and saving all the hassle of trying to find a plug for that board, or if your soldering skills aren't good, then don't try to solder to the board or the decoder, because you might have bad results like I did. Anyway, that's about it for this. Price on these, I got them from Spring Creek Hobbies, the DC versions, all together with shipping and all, I think, and tax, it was a little under $500 for all three of them powered without sound, DCC Ready. With sound, of course, the list price from Walther's is, I think, $599 on the AB set, and it's $299 on the separate A unit with LokSound decoders already installed. Anyway, that's it for this one. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and there'll be more coming. Bye for now.